Peace upon on you. I decided to start an online short lecture course type on human resource management. I designed or I will complete the design with syllabus so that only the people who wants to organize their chamber or office with proper human resource management activities including all compriser at recruitment management level, little bit my presentation will help them. Hence I here making a little bit, very little touch as an introduction what is going include the next course. It will take 1 hour long course or maybe few days long course. I will try it later. So let's talk about what is the difference between law and management. Suppose from the childhood we have a lots of equation, something like talk about a law. Let's talk about the equation a plus c whole square is equal to whatever. This is the equation. Maybe you can say E is equal to mc square. This is also a equation on law. Or otherwise, if you think about the g, remember if you fall something from up level through ground, it will be coming with the force meter per second square. This is a law. Wherever in the world, whether the topmost level of the world or under the world, beside the left side or right side, wherever you go, maybe all the equation and law you can study it will be applicable. But if you go escape from the with the escape velocity, escape from the earth to the universe, there are lots of Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Sun, lots of things there. Will your law that exists in the earth be applicable for there? Can you apply E equal to mc square in the Neptune or a plus b whole square in the Pluto? Can you apply? If you can, then say this is a law established. If you can't, then forget everything. But what about the human feelings? The taste of hot, the taste of sweet food, sorrow and merriment. If you apply a live human anywhere, you can put them, they can taste it, feel it. So I think the management everywhere is same. Management every same, but little bit difference. Before going to my presentation, I want to dedicate and dedication. I have a salutation to Bangladesh Army. My grandpa Major Mirza Rahman died few months ago, and another grandpa Mirza Hamza Hussain, he died long ago. He was a journalist and my elder brother of my grandpa was army officer. I salute to Bangladesh Army. Okay. Think about 4 things of the management level. Here is a business. A man, self-working, self-motivated. He produced some product, maybe AutoCAD design or online assistance, and he works different kinds of animation activities from home. What is his daily responsibilities? He need to negotiate with people over call or sending emails. People you may avoid this you like some of others. Nothing extended duty and responsibilities he need to think. He also no need to touch the international and local law at mass. On the other hand, another man or woman working the same things with a chamber with few assistants, selling online products, selling daily necessary food or vegetables or meat from home to different locations around in the city, then he or she needs to negotiate with people over call or sending mails, or maybe for the outside of the country he needs the help of courier service. Here the same reason is that he or she no need to apply the vast level of international law or inside law, just need a city corporation permission to run the business. Now come the bigger things. This is a construction business, or think about textile engineering business or education engineering business that deals with a lot. Need everyday negotiation with the contractors, management, time schedule with the raw material supplies like brick supplies, reinforced materials, cement supplies, everything. As it is a big firm or big educational institution, the MD need to recruit qualified people through qualified interview process, and also recruiting some managers, demotion, some managers transfer one country to other country, and also need to promotion some of them from receptionist level to managing director to MD. This is the main purpose. We need a proper human resource management. Think more little bit big. Little big that the same things he is doing the internal business with a lots of law settlement, and another one is doing the business with around the world from home and abroad connectivity. So the managing director level need negotiation with contractor from home to abroad, abroad to home, need to touch international law, rules and regulation, depends on the governmental process, also import and export if needed from the abroad, interview a candidate hiring from the home and abroad. If we think about the last two steps of the business procedure, we need a proper human resource management. Thus the business will be a great focus on everyone's life. Just I can say, if your brain touch or your business need to touch with the negotiation vast level, touch the domestic and international law, if you need to promotion or lots of your employees, and some need to demotion with a logical way, not you that from today you can say your staffs from tomorrow you can come to my office. This is not fair. You have to go through a logical way or human resource way. You have to follow the labor laws. Management and communication may be very fast, and also recruitment and transfer. I touched before about these things. Only for this purpose, if you want to go very accurately mathematical process, all the things mathematical application from top to bottom, from outdoor peon to indoor managing director level, every level you want to set up with a mathematical application, then that's called the proper human resource management. What included the human resource management? Okay, here is a quiz. If you can make a good answer of this quiz, then if you register my course on human resource management, I will less your fee. But you have to make a good answer of this question, a quiz. Your quiz starts from this point. Think very carefully. Condition 1. Suppose you are going to Dhaka to Bogura or Dhaka to Chittagong or Dhaka to Nepal. Whatever you choose the destination, my quiz doesn't depend on the location. Depends on the management, your capability of management. If you go Dhaka to Bogura, you have a choice, bus journey. If you cut the ticket of a bus journey, you need to pay 350 to 1000 taka per person. If there is no traffic jam, then you need to spend 5 hours in the bus to reach the destination. You have another choice, train journey. The same way, from first class to low class, you need to spend 570 to 15,000, but here you need to lose 9 hours along. I am considering no other obstacle. And last 3, you have another choice. You can choose helicopter. This is very limited service. If you reach enough capable this payment, you have to buy ticket with 20,000 taka minimum, and it will kill you only 40 minutes to 35 minutes to reach your destination. But problem is that the management level of helicopter servicing sector, they can't provide the service day long or daily, because they only start the helicopter when they can manage only 4 passengers, 3 backside and 1 beside the pilot. Now what will be your management? This is your quiz. If you want to run with this condition, with this 3 situation, competitive way, what will be your management so that people come rush to your service, helicopter service, and use helicopter every day? You can be stable on this journey point. What will be your strategy? Work-study, market study, resource management, recruitment process, everything. Make a good assignment and send me email. If at least 5%, I will consider the fee. Okay, quiz is over. Next to my next slide. How human resource management manage all the things. Here is a test, Z test, T test, F test, X test, also chi-square, McNemar's test, case sample test, Frenchman test. Here on my next lecture, course type lecture or seminar, I will only discuss gist test, t-test, f-test, chi-square test and Frenchman test, their application with a little bit mathematical description, and I will try my level best. I studied some books and some international journals to prepare my course. These books are, you can also important books I have studied, and from all the chapter included here, I took the gist point, examples, and what I think this is very important, and I have to mention the subject here. I will be include there. You may say that with all the books and some other journals, some other books, googling notes will be combination on my course. If we analyze the name human resource management, then we have first man and woman. We play with man and woman, but must be alive. We are not considering dead man as a resource management. Next, age. Age is important because the matter of promotion, demotion and management level capabilities. Next, resource. What resource we will manage? Sometimes the helicopter, sometimes how to make the helicopter, sometimes the road structure, construction level, textile engineering sector needs the chemical knowledge. This is all about resource. And the management. And finally, we need the source. From which source? This is an easy source or tough source. If my source capable to manage inside my country, or I have to connect with outside the country. All the things about we talk about the human resource management. Honestly, I will try to invest my presentation fruitful to you. It is a both way study. I only one can't handle on. You have a opportunity to assist me. You may send your CV. If you want to send me your CV and assist me for my educational sector, my email address is msas engr@ymail.com ymail.com. Okay, send me on CV. If you want to assist me on my educational sector, I will must accept you. In this introductory video, I am not going to share with you, but I will share you this story. If you personally want to know, you can email me, or in the next lecturing workshop video, I will share this story. This story always reminded me, and I try to say all my lecture. Except this, I would like to make a more fruitful seminar, yes, on earthquake, construction, building, human resources running, marketing, organization behavior, mathematical terms means ingredient, differentiation, equation and geometry. Please keep us and follow my Facebook fan page so that you have all my messages on time. Thank you so much. I am now ending it. Be patient.